Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Today I'll just be harvesting some hot peppers. The plants seem to be stunted, so the peppers are really small, but they still pack that heat. So I'm trying to get all these peppers off of there, and hopefully it gives me a second round of flowers so that I can get these peppers to the size that I like. But don't sleep. These peppers are still very hot. They're small. I'll show you guys. But they're very hot. These are the Caribbean habaneros. So they're triple in this size, but they came a little early. So I'm hoping to harvest and get some more flowers, and hopefully they'll grow to the size that they're supposed to grow. But just a quick harvest, guys, and then I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.